Let's take a look at this balloon helicopter. This is how the balloon looks when it's fully constructed. Costs around 40 rupees or around 80 cents or so. You attach all the fans and blow the balloon and attach the balloon to the propellers, and it uses the air from the balloon to spin the fans, which makes it fly. You get two balloons. The balloon goes on to this end and the fans attached to this end. Air from the balloon comes through here, goes through the fan and exits from here, which spins the fans. Some air also comes from here, making a sound. They are already angled perfectly to fly. And now you blow the balloon from here. You stick it here and release it, and this is how it flies. It's a really fun toy and flies quite well too. Quite nice. Check it out.